What if humans could breathe underwater? That would be pretty cool, right? Just imagine being able to swim around underwater whenever you wanted to. You could explore coral cities, swim with dolphins, hang out with whales, dive to the deepest depths of the ocean, and never have to surface. No scuba gear, no tanks, just pure, unadulterated freedom. But could the human body actually breathe underwater? What would need to change? And how would life on Earth as we know it be totally reshaped forever? To answer that, let's start with the basics. What makes breathing underwater so much different than breathing air? Well, for starters, there's this thing called surface tension. Air is less dense than water, so it's easier to move around in. Water, on the other hand, has a higher density, which means it's harder to move through. This is why you feel so much more tired when you swim underwater compared to just walking on land. But there's another major difference between water and air. Water doesn't have as much oxygen in it as air does. In fact, there's only about 1/5 as much oxygen in water as there is in air. So if you tried to take a breath underwater, you probably wouldn't get very far. You'd need some sort of device to help you breathe, like a snorkel or a scuba set. Or better yet, you could just evolve. Many creatures like fish have special organs called gills that allow them to extract oxygen from water. Gills are basically like super efficient lungs that can work underwater. And scientists are actually working on developing artificial gills that could potentially allow humans to breathe underwater. But gills aren't the only option. There are a lot of other ways that we could make breathing underwater possible. We could also increase the amount of oxygen in water or decrease the amount of water that we need to breathe. Either way, the possibilities are really endless, and that's just the beginning. Once humans could breathe underwater, we could start building entire civilizations beneath the waves. We could have cities, schools, farms, even underwater Wi-Fi. We could explore sunken ruins, dive into the Mariana Trench, even mine for resources at deep-sea vents. Of course, life underwater wouldn't be all sunshine and rainbows. There are plenty of dangers to contend with, from sharks to extreme pressures, to eternal darkness, to extreme temperatures. But humans are a resilient bunch. We've overcome a lot of obstacles in our time on Earth, and I think we'd be able to adapt to life underwater pretty quickly. Our skin might thicken to protect us from the harsh environment. Our eyes might get bigger to help us see in the dark. We might even evolve webbed fingers to help us swim more efficiently. Basically, we'd become a whole new species of amphibious human beings. So what do you think? Do you want to live underwater? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun science videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.